Hello, my jewelry maker friend. Let's go and do some magics. All we need is wire jewelry of about 0.8 millimeter diameter, our main tools, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter, and of course, a stone or bead of your preference. I'm using the tiger's eye, the zodiac stone of June. What is your birthstone? Please comment it below for me. To start, we need round nose pliers and our 0.8 wire. This tutorial is all about making swirls. So we start by making a very little U shape, and we are going to make a closed loop at the beginning of this wire strand and push it tight to have something like this. And now we are going to wrap the wire while we pick this closed loop with our tool around nose pliers, or better with chain nose pliers, and then little by little we push the wire all around the circles and the previous loop to make a beautiful swirl. To make the first one, we need about 8 rows of these wire wrapping and wire circles. So I continue making these wire circles to get 8 of them, and as it grows, I need to use the bigger length of my chain nose pliers to fix it, and then to wrap the wire. At this step, we have a very beautiful wire swirl. And now we are going to make the other ones just by making a 90-degree bend at the middle of the last circle. Again, we start by making a little loop. So with the round nose pliers, we keep it tight and round the wire and wrap it all around it to have a very little loop. We could squeeze it to have smaller one and even to close it. And now we are going to wrap wire all around this very little loop. And it's okay to make it straight, and then wrap the wire all around it by keeping it tight with your chain nose pliers. Make this second loop. Keep both of them and wrap it to achieve the third one. And we continue wrapping wire and making these circles for about 6 times and 6 rows. When you have finished making 6 of these circles and the second swirl, while your wire is at 6 o'clock, we'll leave making the other circle. We are going to bend this second swirl like this, and we could use our chain nose pliers to do so. This would be such a beautiful pattern and shape. And again, we are doing this for third time. Make a little loop and do the same. This time it would be 4 rows of these circles, and at the end we bend the third one onto the work and push it tight to have this very beautiful pattern. And at the end we cut the wire in about 1 centimeters. With your round nose pliers, start to make another loop, and if needed, push it with your chain nose pliers to be flattened tight, and that would be it. This is the dangling part that could be used both as a pendant or an earring, and here is the time to add our tiger's eye or any other stones that you desire and is a stone of your birth. To add these two parts, we need a joint, and this could be simply made again with your 0.8 wire and round nose pliers, and we start by making a little loop. At first we put the round nose pliers into this loop and make a 90-degree bend, and we cut the other side in about 5 or 6 centimeters. Now we insert the bead or stone in, and here again we make a 90-degree bend, put the round nose pliers here and make a loop, and here we are going to wrap the rest of the tail onto this stone, and at the end we make a bend and push it. Now we open this loop just like we open a jump ring and insert the dangling part and close it. Or we could add a jump ring in between. At the end we are going to add an earring hook. And finally, this would be the result and very beautiful wire earring. Hope you had enjoyed this tutorial. Love you so much. Take care and bye-bye.